Alright guys, to remove the battery, we're gonna open this and we'll remove this board. Alright, so once you guys remove that board, you have the spare tire. And with the spare tire, you have to pretty much remove this tire and for you to access the battery here. Okay, so it's not super easy to access, but I'm gonna just remove this. So it's got a sensor here, so you guys disconnect this sensor. Okay, remove this. And then you guys will find your spare tire here. Okay, so this is how you find your spare tire on an Audi Q5. And then to disconnect the battery, you guys, it's right here. Let me show you. Alright, so you have to remove this cover. And you will see both of your terminals, the terminal negative and the positive. So yeah, I always like to remove, you always have to remove the positive first. Okay, and then you guys will remove the positive. Make sure it's loose. This, you want to remove this plastic too, maybe not, but I think this plastic might be holding. Yeah, there we go. You guys want to remove this plastic, it just unclips right there. So there, you guys remove this battery like that. Okay, and then you close this so it doesn't touch anymore. Alright, now you guys are safe to remove the negative terminal. And that's it guys, that's how you unplug your battery. This is, you also want to unplug this. This is for the battery gases to get out, so you just unplug it. Okay, and then you guys can safely remove the battery, but first you guys will have to also remove this jack from here. Like this. Okay, out of the way. And then here guys, you will have this bolt that it's a bracket that holds the battery in place, and that's number 12, I believe. Let me check. Might be number 14. Let me just, this is a 13. Let's check with the 13. So yeah, this is a number 13 socket. So this you will use to remove the bracket. Once you remove the bracket, you can safely remove the battery from the car. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys learned something new, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a like. And I'll see you guys on the next video.